Interesting statistics here. 9 in 10 Kenyans are opposed to the increase in the road maintenance levy from the previous 25 shillings per litre on concerns that it will increase the cost of living. The latest survey by Afro barometer indicates that 7% of those surveyed maintenance levy to fund recarpeting of the existing road infrastructure.
The pump price Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority that among others revised up the road maintenance levy from 18 shillings per litre to 20 debate about its implementation. And now a survey by Afro barometer says 91% of those surveyed said they are opposed to the hiked levy of living, while 7% of those who support the levy say it will fund maintenance of roads and ensure Kenyans travel on better roads.
Compared to 12 months ago, in almost half of the sample, and this can be generalized to Kenya, 50% of Kenyans think the economic conditions is getting.
1% of our sample felt that they strongly disapproved of this. So somewhat was strongly disapproved. A high percentage.
The survey that was conducted between April and May this year also indicates that 7 out of 10 want the housing levy for salaried employees reviewed.
We noticed that the approval for having higher income tax for highly paid individuals towards 50%. So it's sort of an average, still below average, but it's tending towards there across all the age groups.
Higher taxes for highly paid individuals. Regina Manyara reporting for Prime Edition.